this video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what's included in the box of your VX3. Then we're going to go ahead and assemble it real quick. So let's begin. First, you have your arm cuff strap. Next, we have two Velcro pieces which hold your coil wire to the shaft. You have your sales registration card. You're going to want to go ahead and mail this back. Okay, you have your accessory guide. This shows you all the accessories and coils and machines available from White's. Next, we have your Spectra VX3 full color owner's manual. This is a very detailed, in-depth manual, and most likely if you have any questions, you're going to find it in here. Then you have your rubber washers, your nut, and your bolt, which holds your coil to the coil shaft. Next, you have your White's 950 concentric coil. Then you have your lower shaft. This is your coil shaft. Then you have your S shaft. Next, you have your control box assembly with your display screen, your control pod, your control box, and your arm cuff. And that's it. So we're going to go ahead and put this together. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach our coil to the lower coil shaft. So what you want to do is grab your lower shaft. That's the shaft that has the notches down here to put your rubber washers. So once you have that, you're going to take your rubber washers and push them into these grooves here. One on that side, and one on this side. Then you want to take your lower coil shaft. You have this notch set out here on your coil to put the coil shaft in. What you want to do is you want to line that up, push that in like that. Next thing you want to do is you want to take your bolt for your coil wire. You want to stick it through down here, like that. Then you want to take your nut, screw it on the end of the bolt here, and that will secure your coil to the lower shaft. So next what we're going to do is we're going to attach your S shaft to your control box. This is fairly simple. All you do is you take these two pins here, push these in like this. You want to put them in the slot right here. There's little holes where these pins are going to pop out. What you want to do is you want to have this hump here. You want to have the S part going up. So you want to put this in here like this until it snaps, clicks into place. So now you have your control box with your S shaft attached. So next we're going to put your arm cuff strap on here. I'm going to just slide it right through here, like this. Tighten it up a bit. Velcro. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to attach your control box housing in your S shaft to the lower shaft in your coil. Same concept, you have these pins here. I'm going to take these pins and push them in, and you want to slide it onto the upper shaft. So next we're going to go ahead and wrap our coil wire around the shaft. You want your coil wire to go over the shaft for the first wrap. You just want to wrap it around. Wrap this up nicely like this. Then you want to plug the wire into your control box, screw that in. So next you want to take your Velcro strips, and what these do is these hold your coil wire to the shaft firmly in place. You want to take one like that, wrap it around there. Nice and snug. You want to take this Velcro strip and you want to put it up here. Nice and snug. And there you have it, your fully assembled White Spectra Series VX3 metal detector. Now you're ready to get out there and start hunting.